Hey guys! Welcome back to Alicia TV. For today, I'm going to vlog our trip to Treasure Mountain. So, I'm so excited kasi hindi talaga kami into trekking, into hiking. Pero syempre, we still want to enjoy the view. So, I discovered Treasure Mountain from my office mates. Mga taga Antipolo. So, para sabi nila, ito daw yung sobrang dali na parang 15-minute trek. As in, hindi nga hike, trek lang talaga. Tapos, ang ganda na ng view. Tapos, pwede kayo mag-breakfast doon. So, sakto, this is a Sunday. And, wala kaming plans today. So, I just wanted to try and check it out. So, wala na kaming reservation. Pupunta na lang kami doon bigla. Actually, plan namin 6 o'clock. Or like 6:30 alas. So, it's currently 8:11 a.m. So, maaraw na at mainit na. Good luck to us! Okay, so we're here already and sobrang bumpy ng road. Oh my gosh. As in, ayan o. Buti na lang talaga nagpalit kami ng car. So, if ever, just a tip, na sedan yung car nyo, huwag nyo nandalhin. As in, dapat yung medyo mataas. So, dito kami magbe-breakfast. And then, merong mga cottages. And then, the view. Wow, flatly. Vlogger. We just ate breakfast. So, trekking time. So, wala kami nakikitang parang mga guides ngayon dito. So, we're just gonna go straight ahead. And, hopefully, tama naman to. Parang, bahala na kami. Mag-trek na kami mag-isa namin. Ang cool. Tinan nyo, may house dun, oh. Five minutes of trekking. May hinihingal na po. Mark has white hair. So white. Lolo na to eh. Obstacle course. Okay guys, so we're back in the car. Tapos na kami sa aming Treasure Mountain trip. So basically, ang masasabi ko lang is walang trek na nangyari. As in, alam mo yung full gear kami na alam mo yun, nakapang...
Ikaw lang yung full gear.
As in, like full-on outfit na kala mo naman magta-trekking talaga. But no! As in, lakad lang. Akala ko like may trek man lang na parang 10 to 15 minutes. Yun parang as in 5 to 10 minutes lang na walk. Kung gusto niyo ng mountain view, near Metro Manila lang para hindi na kayo lumayo. Tapos yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga injured, yung mga hindi masyado into trekking, this is the place for you. Treasure Mountain. So, si Mark kasi...
Ako na naman.
Meron siyang history. Nung nagsagana kami, muntik na siyang buhatan ng mga locals kasi hindi na niya kaya. Sobrang sakit ng tuhod niya. Kasi, alam mo naman yung lolo ko. Joke lang. May injury siya sa knee niya. And now, I'm so sleepy. So, on our way to 10 cents, para siyang leisure park, may mga zipline. So, we'll just check kung malapit lang siya kasi sayang na may punta namin dito. We're here! So, this is just 1 kilometer away from Treasure Mountain. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nagagantong activities, so we're getting ready for zipline. Medyo kinakabahan ako. So, 60 feet daw. Are you scared?
No.
Oh, go babe!
2, 3, go! Ayun na, parating na! Oh, no, Jordan!
He's scared of heights. Natatawa ako, babe. Parang hirap na hirap si Kuya sa'yo.
Oh, no, no.
No, body yung body na sir. Ha? Dalawa? No.
Whee!
Ano? Dalawa mo.
So, after the zipline, meron na tayong hanging bridge. Yan. So, mahaba siyang lalakarin namin. So our next activity is wall climbing. Grabe guys, yung pagod ko. Sobrang intense. Alam mo yung hinga mo na ganong level. Grabe. But I'm so proud of myself. Naka 45 feet ako dun sa rock climbing. Although, tinutulungan ako nung guide namin sa tension. So, parang medyo inaangat niya akong konti. But still! Grabe. I'm so tired and I'm so hungry. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch. So, time to eat! It's so funny. Tawang-tawa kami pag inisip namin na hindi kami napagod sa Treasure Mountain. Dito kami napagod. I'm home. So, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye!